You wake up every day to literally see that. It can't get any better than that. And you probably hear Erwin in the background using that Vortex or the Tornador brand. They all work amazing, guys. But let's check them out and we'll get to this product review. Overall, guys, this Jeep, it came in dusty. It came in real dusty. They go to the ranch, I believe, and you know, that's what Jeeps are made for, right? But right now he's literally cleaning all the plastics. I'm probably going to come back and we're gonna pre-spray all the seats and the carpet. The seats have they have covers on them, so we're gonna be real careful, obviously, when we clean them, just to give them at least that color. We're gonna be using what's that pre-spray you use for your upholstery?
Malco Extract.
Malco Extract, which smells really good. I'm excited to see it in action. So it's definitely a great product. So stay tuned. Alrighty, guys. So while Erwin is cleaning the driver's side, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just start doing a pre-spray. That way the carpet can start getting all the fibers loose. It'll start getting that, you know, get embedded into the fibers. So when we come to extract, we can get the maximum out, guys. So we're using the product we're using today. It's this was locally purchased at Uncle Kimu's car wash supply store, and it's this one, Malco Extracts fabric cleaner and deodorant, guys. This thing smells really good. The key points about this product is it leaves fabric surfaces soft, clean, and smelling fresh. It won't cause any foam in extraction machines. So if you have an extractor like I do, a Mighty, a Bissell, this won't foam up, which is a key feature in many of these products. And it's a concentrated product, so this is just straight product. You can be diluted up to 1 to 50, so that can give you an idea of how strong this product is. So literally, we'll just come in here and spray all this out really nice on the fibers. That way all this can start really loosening up. And then once he finishes the driver's side, then I'll come and I will I'll start spraying the seats down for him. That way the product can get into these cloths, and that way, because right now I don't want him to get in there and get all wet and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pre-treat the carpet for now. Very quick, very simple, nothing crazy. On Jeeps, guys, just know that they're always dirty. Very rarely will you get a Jeep that is not dirty. So if you get a Jeep that's not dirty, it's not a Jeep. A Jeep is meant to be dirty. Of course, depending on your area, guys, depending on where you live, the price is, you know, a lot of people usually ask me, hey Carlos, how much was that car? Right? Pricing is very variable, guys, very different from locations. So don't expect, you know, my pricing sometimes, to some it is a little bit high. You know, I'd ask Erwin what he's charging for this vehicle, but we won't. We'll keep it. We won't disclose the price on this one, but it was up there. It was up there because the vehicle is dirty, so the price, it is a little bit higher than the normal because of the condition. All right, so this is gonna be doing, he's actually gonna be teaching me rinseless washing. I'm not against rinseless because I don't do rinseless, and I've talked to Erwin before. I don't do rinseless because I feel like that takes too much time. But today, we're gonna give it a go. He's gonna teach me rinseless washing, and maybe I take that to Dallas, and you might see me doing more rinseless, who knows? But let's continue. And quick tip, guys, now that I have you guys here, a very easy tip. For some, they like it, for some, they don't. When you're working on a Jeep or any vehicle that has a lot of sand, anything really in particular, you can, the reason I do a lot of pre-treat, and I love the Vortex or the Tornador that he has on here right now. This thing is a workhorse if you know how to use it. If you know how to use it, anybody can use that, but the way you use it. So I did a pre-spray right here using that the carpet cleaner. We let it sit on there, and then all you do, guys, is come back with your Vortex or your Tornador. And yes, guys, this will make a little bit of mess, but I'd rather do this now and then come back and just vacuum and extract, because it's gonna be so much easier, so much quicker than trying to vacuum and just all the debris just are embedded in there. So pre-treat your carpet, hit it with your air tool, your Vortex, your Tornador, and guys, look at that. That literally looks 10 times better. And that's not even vacuum or extracting, guys. So anyways, just a quick tip that I wanted to share with you guys, and I don't know if I've told you guys or you've seen a video on this, but that's how I do it. Anything else you want to add over there?
If you're trying to start, just go ahead and just start. Don't worry about what everybody else says. Don't worry about what I say. I'm not even a YouTube sensation or anything, but if you're hearing a bunch of do it this way, do it that way, do it this way, do it that way, find people who've been there, have the experience, and you think outside the box of how to get things done more efficiently and get you great results. And that's what we're trying to do here, so that way this Jeep comes out perfect. It comes out well. So I'm gonna continue doing my thing.
Alrighty, guys, so we are so this next part, I think it's something that many detailers struggle at times whenever they are whenever they're cleaning, which is seatbelt cleaning, right? How do you clean seat belts? There's really many ways to clean seat belts. So I have seen some, they'll pull this whole thing out. They will pretty much close the door, guys. I've seen some, they'll close the door. They will power wash the seat belt. And I've seen others, obviously another way that I have done it, guys, is I would grab my extractor, and while it's on the seat, I will obviously extract. What all that really creates is a lot of hassle, a lot of mess at times. Again, I'm nobody to tell you guys how to do it, but I went to ACS Hawaii out here in Oahu, Hawaii, and I spoke with, they call him the OG Uncle Kimu, and I hope I said it correctly, Uncle Kimu. If you're watching this, which I don't know if you watch YouTube, if you're watching this, thank you so much for those minutes that we spent together talking about detailing. Really, we talked about products. I got to kind of get in a little bit and ask you a question about on exteriors, and I do appreciate you know, with an open heart telling me your honest opinion about it, and it actually gave me confirmation that I was doing it correctly, and the validation coming from an OG, the man, you know. So 35 years of experience, of excellence, customer service. I had commented your name here in a couple pages, and they were like, man, every time I go, he's never there. His son-in-law is there or something. So it's truly a blessing that I was able to talk to you. But anyways, long story short, I don't want to make the video long. While I was there, something caught my eye that I feel like it's going to be a game changer for many detailers. Some of you may have seen it already, and maybe some of you haven't. But very simple, guys. I'm gonna show you a quick, easy way to clean seat belts. All right. So what I'm gonna be using, guys, is this is Malco extract. It's pretty much like a carpet solution. It deodorizes, it cleans, and that is very safe for your interiors, for your seat belts. I don't like to pressure wash seat belts just because for me it's safety. A lot of people put that pressure washer on here, and what that will do, it will start deteriorating the fibers inside this seat belt. I don't know, many say it doesn't. To me, I don't want to do it because then I'd be risking the safety of my customers. So I've always said it's safety, safety, safety. So this is a quick and easy way to clean seat belts, guys. So all you'll do is you'll spray this seat belt real quick. All right, and hopefully the camera kind of catches it. Next thing you'll do, guys, if you want, I've been playing with this for a good little bit. I will spray your brush to kind of get the suds in there, right? You grab your seat belt, and very easy, guys. This is like a little crocodile looking thing. All you do, put it in here, and you don't even have to apply force into it. Don't apply force to it, because what that's going to cause is the bristles to just spread. You want the bristles to really agitate, right? So very simple. You grab it, and all you got to do is just gently scrub. And to be honest, how do you know if this is actually working? Is you're gonna feel the bristles literally just up and down. You'll feel the bristles scrubbing, right? If you're applying too much pressure, you feel that you can literally feel it just like sliding, if that makes sense. But real simple, guys. Just spray it, scrub it, and since it has bristles on both sides, you're gonna get clean on both sides. And then you grab your towel, your microfiber towel, and all you do, guys, is wipe it off. And look at that, guys. This seatbelt is actually dirty. Very easy, guys. Very quick. And there you go, guys. That is how you clean a seatbelt quickly, efficiently, and you don't make a lot of mess. You know, if me and Erwin right now would be working and I have my extractor going and I start hitting this, there's nothing but stream of water gonna start flowing everywhere. And he already cleaned the driver's side door and the dashboard and the center console, so all that water is just literally gonna fly out and go right back over to him, right? And that's what you want to not cause if you're working with somebody else, right? But if you're working alone, sometimes, I mean, it really doesn't matter, but I try not to make a lot of mess. So I hope this quick tip helps you guys out. So a week from today is Thursday. A week from today, guys, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. All right, I haven't done a giveaway in a good while, guys. So 2 lucky winners. I will be doing random, a random selection. 2 lucky winners are gonna receive this. This is called the Blue Gator, the seatbelt brush. All right, 2 lucky winners are gonna win this, guys. Hashtag Rins. I was gonna do it again. Rins Auto Detailing is gonna be RINS Auto Detailing. Hashtag Rins Auto Detailing. Hashtag Hawaii. Hashtag Serranos Mobile Detail, guys. Those 3 hashtags will get you entered to win one of these really cool little tools. Shout out to ACS Hawaii for the pleasure of meeting you guys, as well as I purchased these. So no, he didn't give them to me. These were purchased, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna buy 3. I can give them away, and as well as, I mean, nothing better than truly give an honor to the OG here in Hawaii, Uncle Kimu. So again, God bless you guys. I hope today's video maybe helped you guys out a little bit on a new product that is out in the market. I haven't seen it a lot through many detailers, but I honestly feel this is a great little buy for less than $12. I'll be finding a link on it. I was really trying to link it to Uncle Kimu's business, but they don't ship out of Hawaii, I believe. So for that reason, I didn't want to put Uncle Kimu's website. But you know what? I probably will put, if you live here in Hawaii and you want to buy products from Uncle Kimu, I'll put his website down below on the description. And if you live here in Hawaii or the near islands, I'm sure they can ship it out to you, or you can go to his shop and get you one of these little bad boys right here. So God bless you guys. I hope today's video helped you guys out. I'll see you guys on the next video.